thunderstorm warning for Rutherford County in western North Carolina, eastern Polk County in western North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, south central Burke County in western North Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rutherford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Forest City, Rutherford, Spindale, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Bellwood, Lawndale, Fallston, Polkville, and Ellenboro. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western and the Piedmont of North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Cleveland, Lincoln, Polk, and Rutherford. Heat advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m.
This warning took at least 1 to 2 minutes for GSP to tone on their transmitters, but to be fair, at least that's better than them not going at all. So I'll give them that.
Then partly cloudy after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce frequent lightning and heavy rainfall this evening. Some thunderstorms may produce frequent... Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Catawba County, Alexander County, Lincoln County, northwestern Iredell County, southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Taylorsville to 13 miles west of Lincoln, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hickory, Newton, Lincoln, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, Bethlehem, Maiden, and Hildebrand. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for western and the Piedmont of North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander and Iredell. At 3:54 p.m. at the Piedmont.
So fun fact, I was actually waiting for WWF60 to tone the new SVA issuance that they have. Up until I noticed a app notification of Iredell County in SVR, to which I had to quickly change the frequency on my 254 from channel 5 to channel 1, or WWF60 to WXL42. Yeah, just in context.
Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cabarrus County, eastern Catawba County, southwestern Davie County, southeastern Alexander County, eastern Lincoln County, Iredell County, northwestern Mecklenburg County, western Rowan County, northeastern Gaston County, until 5:30 p.m.
Gaston.
At 4:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Statesville to 12 miles southeast of Newton to 7 miles southeast of Lincoln, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Cabarrus, Statesville, Lincoln, Mottsville, Northeast Charlotte, West Concord, Cornelius, Mooresville, and Davidson. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the Piedmont of North Carolina. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the area from eastern Catawba to eastern Lincoln counties, and that will move east. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Cabarrus, Davie, Iredell, and Rowan. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All has...
Already bad enough that I had to hear Gaston for Gaston. Probably just as bad as the storms that are occurring in the area.
Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, southwestern Henry County, southeastern Patrick County, and southwestern Virginia until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Patrick Springs, or near Stewart, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eaton, Stewart, Stoneville, Spencer, Sandy Ridge, Ridgeway, and Chris. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basements or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your report.
Saying this as this notification is being sent, but from what I'm seeing, the counties of Iredell and Rowan are in a TOR. So expect a doubleheader.
4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for north central and northwestern North Carolina and south central, southwestern, and west central Virginia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Rockingham and Stokes, and the following counties in Virginia: Henry and Patrick.
And would you look at that? Holy Jesus.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Iredell County, southwestern Rowan County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Statesville, or near Lake Norman State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mooresville around 5:10 p.m. China Grove and Landis around 5:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Mount Ella and Dooley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Iredell and Rowan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15.
Double the storms, double the alerts, double the headers. The things just come in twos, don't they?
Thunderstorm warning for Chester County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern York County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles west of York to 11 miles east of Union to 16 miles east of Lawrence, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Chester, Newport, Leslie, Great Falls, Fort Lawn, Carlisle, Richmond, Chester State Park, and Catawba. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging wind.
Now there's an app notification for Union County, North Carolina in an SVR.
800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag.
So as you can imagine, there's going to be a double header.
Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, Union, and York. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles south of downtown Concord to 11 miles southeast of uptown Charlotte to 5 miles north of Indian Land, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Monroe, Indian Trail, Weddington, Stallings, Unionville, Wesley Chapel, Wingate, Waxhaw, Marshville, and Lake Park. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Union, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spark.
This station is just being hit with SVRs left and right. Like there's one time minutes ago, and this is something that I didn't record, of WXL70 having a triple header.
North Carolina, Cabarrus, Davie and Rowan. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Montgomery County, Stanly County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mount Pleasant, or 11 miles east of downtown Concord, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Plyler around 5:50 p.m. Albemarle and Baden Lake around 6 p.m. Troy around 6:20 p.m. Bisco around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm included O'Leary Haven, Steves, El Dorado, Baden, and Fishtails Marina. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Montgomery and Stanly. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued for Central Cabarrus County is canceled.
And that was WWF60 with the TOR for Montgomery and Stanly.
Damaging winds remain likely.
Which is also the same product of which WXL70, which I suppose sounds similar to WWF60 in a way.
Until 9 p.m. for the Piedmont of North Carolina. The National Weather... The severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, Davidson County, Montgomery County, Red...
had also relayed.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Anson County, southwestern Montgomery County, western Richmond County, southern Stanly County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albemarle to near Unionville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waitsboro, Ansonville, Polkton, Norwood, Oakboro, Stenfield, Mount Gilead, Lylesville, Morven, and Peachland. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanly. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warning.
Do you remember that Union County, North Carolina SVR? Well, this SVR had gotten issued after that. Since the storm in Union County, North Carolina was, well, obviously going to move east, but move east to Anson County. Anson and Union border each other. Okay, so so after this SVR here, My phone wanted to be an ass by telling me that it supposedly, quote, ran out of storage, and thus I couldn't do any more recordings, at least during this day. So it was at this moment that he knew he was fucked up. And so we get to the outro. Thanks, Rotten Apple.